Hello everyone, welcome back to my online class. Once again I am present here with a new subtopic of English literature. This is a subtopic of lesson 4, A Loving Mother. In your textbook in page number 32, this subtopic is included in your textbook. Describing word. What is describing word? So, words which describe about noun is called describing words. A word, words that describe about noun are called adjectives or describing words. जो word noun को describe करे that is called describing word. So now through this video I am going to teach you all about describing word. Okay, describing word is also known as adjective. Describing word or adjective. What are describing words or adjectives, or what do you mean by adjectives? Adjectives से describing words से मतलब क्या समझते हैं? तो words that describe about nouns, जो noun को describe करे. Already I taught noun in chapter number 1. Okay, so in this subtopic we will discuss. Okay, first we will write the definition of this adjective or describing word. Words that describe about noun are called describing word, are called describing words or adjective. Okay, this is the definition of describing word or adjective. Words that describe about nouns are called describing words or adjective. For example, description is maybe anything. For example, this is definition. Now I will explain about this adjectives or describing word through some examples. So let us see. I am going to write some 4 or 5 sentences to explain or to clear about describing words. For example, first word is or first sentence. Harshita is a lazy girl. Okay. Second sentence is Rahul is a fat, fat boy. Next sentence is Moon is a brave, brave girl. Okay. So you can see that I have written three sentences. Harshita is a lady girl, Rahul is a fat boy, and Moon is a brave girl. It means, what is the meaning of our sentence? Harshita is a lazy girl. So you can see that first word in first sentence, what is noun? Noun क्या है? In first sentence, noun is Harshita. Because in first sentence, this sentence describe about Harshita. अब हर्षिता एक गर्ल है, लेकिन कैसी गर्ल है? तो लेजी गर्ल है. लेजी, लेजी means आलसी, आलसी गर्ल है. हर्षिता is a lazy girl. So lazy is an adjective or describing, because this word, this describing word describe about Harshita. लेजी मीन्स आलसी, वो अपना काम समय पे नहीं करती, बहुत धीरे धीरे करती है. तो हर्षिता इज अ लेजी गर्ल. This word is describing about Harshita. So in this first sentence, which word is adjective? So lazy adjective word. Okay. Now come to second sentence. Rahul is a fat boy. Rahul is a fat boy. राहुल एक लड़का तो है, लेकिन कैसा लड़का है? राहुल इज अ फैट बॉय, मोटा लड़का है. व्हाट? मोटा. So this fat word is describe about Rahul. This fat is an adjective. Fat is an adjective word which describing about Rahul. So fat is adjective. Now come to sentence number 3. You can see that Moon is a brave girl. Moon is a girl. You know that Moon is a girl. Moon एक लड़की है, but किस टाइप की लड़की है? तो Moon is a brave girl. Moon कैसी है? तो बहादुर है. Brave means बहादुर. Brave means बहादुर. So this brave word, in sentence, in number 3 sentence, brave is a describing word or adjective word which describe about Moon. तो Moon कैसी लड़की है? तो Moon बहादुर लड़की है. So this is adjective. So this is, you can see that this is some examples. With all three sentences is describing. In first sentence lazy, in second sentence fat, and in third sentence brave. About describe. These all words, these all adjective words are describing about Harshita, Rahul and Moon. So students, once again I have written this definition of this adjective word. Words that describe a noun are called adjectives or describing word. Because in this video we are studying about describing words or adjectives. If someone will ask you what is adjective or what is describing word, so you can see that words that describe a noun are called adjectives or describing word. मतलब in हिंदी जो वर्ड नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करे, जो वर्ड नेमिंग वर्ड्स को डिस्क्राइब करे, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. Describing words may be different. Describing words, it means shape, size, color, quality. Describing what means what? Describe if word, that word describe word may be different. Describe words may be shape, size, quality, color, ये सारा हो सकता है. क्वांटिटी, क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी, कलर, शेप, साइज, all are describing words which describe about naming words. Naming words means noun. The noun को describe करे, that is called describing words. So you can see that to explanation or to explain, once again I have written 3 more sentences. So we will try to learn this describing word in a better way through some this sentence. Okay, so in first sentence you can see that the tree is full of yellow flowers. The tree is full of yellow flowers. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि एक ट्री है, वह जो है पूरे फूलों से भरा हुआ, पूरे फूल इसमें लगे हुए हैं. So the tree is full of yellow flowers. So in first sentence which word is a describing word? कौन सा describing word है इसमें? Tell me. Yellow. Yellow is a describing word or adjective. Okay. In first sentence, yellow is adjective or describing word, because this yellow is describing the color. This is yellow color, na? Color is also a describing word. Flower. So flower is which color? Yellow color. So this yellow is describing about flowers. So this is naming word, this is noun, flower is noun, flower is noun, and yellow is adjective. Now come to the question, sentence number 2. Mohan or a red cat. मोहन और a red cap. Wear means पहनना, or means पहना. तो मोहन ने कैसा कैप पहना है, कैसा टोपी पहना है? तो रेड कैप पहना है. तो रेड इज एडजेक्टिव. रेड इज एडजेक्टिव because this adjective describing about cap. This red color because cap which color? The color of cap is red. So red is adjective because this red is describing about cap. Now question number 3. Come to the sentence number 3. My mother had a leather purse. My mother had a leather purse. मेरी माँ के पास एक पर्स है, लेकिन पर्स क्या चीज का है? लेदर का है. कैसा पर्स है? वो पर्स लेदर का है. अलग अलग मटेरियल का पर्स बनता है. My mother had a leather purse. So in sentence number 3, leather is adjective. Leather is a describing word that is describing about पर्स. इस पर्स के बारे में बता रहा ना. पर्स कैसा है? तो पर्स कैसा है? तो पर्स लेदर का है. तो लेदर इज एडजेक्टिव. Okay, so already I have written three sentences earlier and 3 more sentences. I hope all of you have understood very well about describing words. मतलब अगर लेटर या वर्ड दिया हुआ है तो अल्फाबेट के अनुसार करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में उसको लिखना है. हाउ कैन वी राइट द गिवन वर्ड और लेटर इन करेक्ट सीक्वेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेटिकली? So first we will learn about letter. can see that I have written some letter English, okay, and we will arrange this given letter according to अल्फाबेटिकली करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में इसको लिखना है। जैसे हम लोग ABCD पढ़ते हैं तो कौन सा लेटर स्टार्ट होगा कहाँ से और उसको करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में सही ऑर्डर में लिखना है। यू कैन सी दैट फर्स्ट वी विल रीड EGBKCJA according to alphabet which letter will come A. So first we will write A. Now, after A, which alphabet will come? B. So we will write B. After B, which letter or which alphabet will come? C. So we will write C. After C, which word will come? According to alphabet, after C will come D will come after C, but you can see that D is not here. D is not here, so we will not write D. जो लेटर दिया वही लेटर लिखेंगे, जो लेकिन उसको करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में लिखेंगे, जो नहीं दिया उसको नहीं लिखेंगे. So you can see that D is not here. After D, which alphabet will come? E. So E is here, so we will write E. After E, which alphabet will come? F, but F is not here, so we will not write F. After F, G, so G is here, we will write G. After G, which alphabet will come? H, but you can see that H is not here, so we will not write H. हम लोग H नहीं लिखेंगे, H नहीं दिया हुआ है. After H, which letter will come? I, but I is also not here. After I, J, so you can see that J is here, so we will write G. And which letter will come after J? K, so K is also here, so we will write K. So this is alphabetical order. This is alphabetically. So this is later. Now come to the, we will learn about how can we write in given words in correct sequence. अब अगर कोई वर्ड नहीं होगी तो लेटर है. अब अगर हमको वर्ड को लिखना है करेक्ट ऑर्डर में तो कैसे लिखेंगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेटिकली. You can see that I have written some word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that I have written 5 words, and these all words we will write according to alphabetically order. इस सारे वर्ड को हम लोग अल्फाबेट के अनुसार, जो अल्फाबेट में जो लेटर आता है उस लेटर के अनुसार इसको सही से लिखेंगे. कौन सा पहला आएगा? Which word will come in first according to alphabetically order? Which word? Because you can see that in queen, you can see that queen, parrot, cock, jug, lion. Which word will come in first according to alphabetically order? Cup, because in cup, C first letter in cup is C. So according to alphabetically ordered. First come A, but no any word which start with A. After A B, you can see that no any word which start with B, and after B C. So this cup, and C is the first word of this cup. So we will write, first we will write cup, C-U-P. After cup, which word will come after cup? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You can see that according to alphabetically order, jug will come after cup. Okay, so we will write jug. After jug, which word will come after jug? Because J, K, L. K is not here. No any word with start with K. So we will not write after K, L. So you can see that I have written lion. So after jug, we will write lion. L-I-O-N, lion. After lion, L-M-N-O-P. So parrot. We will write parrot because this parrot start with P. After L, according to alphabetically order, L, M, N. No any word start with M. No any word start with N. No any word start with O. But P. Parrot is start with P. So we will write parrot after lion. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. And parrot is completed jug, lion, and after parrot we will write queen. So this is correct alphabetically order. I have arranged this all given words according to correct sequence, correct alphabetically order. So students, you can do the more practice. You can do practice more and more to clear this type of any questions. Thank you.